Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. And let's just dive into the first change, that is the change to the color picker that has been introduced in WordPress 5.9. The UI has changed, the way things work, and the color picker has slightly changed. So I have added a paragraph block over here to just test these changes, and you can click on this section over here and it will open the settings. Now the first things that you're going to notice is that the color picker has definitely changed. Now it is important to know here that if I would have been using the 2022 theme, then you would have seen the default colors just below the theme colors and the palette that I've selected just below that. Now we have discussed these changes while we were on the topic of site editor. So in case you want to reference it over there, you can go back and see and then come back to these sections. So what I'm going to tell you here is that the UI first of all has changed, this color picker has changed, and for this let's just go to the WordPress 5.8 installation and see. Now you can see the UI here is very different. In case you wanted to pick the custom color, then you had to click this option and it would have shown you the color picker. Now here the option is available right in front of you. This is the new color picker. You gotta just click it and it will show you. So for example, if I just want to make the text color red, that's what I'm gonna do here. And what it does is it displays this hex value over here. So I already know what is the color value, what is the basically color code of the color that I'm using as the text color basically. Now in case you want to copy this option, then you just have to click it and it will get copied. Now this was not the case here. Now let's just see it for ourselves. Let's just select this blue color over here. To copy this color, what I had to do was I had to click this, select it, and then press copy, Control C or Command C depending on the OS that you are using. Now, if I have to change the format of the colors, then what I have to do here is that I have to click this option over here and it gives me a drop down. The formats that you can select is the RGB, HSL or hex. I personally prefer hex because those are easy to use, and most places you will find the hex value, although you find the HSL values and RGB values as well, but I personally prefer hex. Now to make any of those changes over here, you had to click this icon over here, and when you click it, it will change it to RGB, then HSL. Now this was a bit of a hassle in my opinion. The UI is more clear now. The experience is much better when it comes to picking colors. So this change will be impacting any and every blog that is using the color options. Maybe they may be using just for the background color, maybe just for the text color, maybe for the link color. Anywhere that you will see the option to pick colors, the color picker will be this one, the new one. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.